guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, guys. In today's video I'm going to create this makeup look, guys. This makeup look you can create for party and any small occasion, guys. It looks so pretty and it is very easy to create. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching, and if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel. It's mean a lot. And also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is this. So let's get started this video. So guys, I have already moisturized my face. Next I'm going to start off with my eye. For filling my eyebrow, I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil, guys. This is the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade grey, dark grey. So first I'm going to fill it. Today I'm going to do my eye makeup first. For concealing and cleaning my eyebrow, I'm going to use this concealer, guys. This is the Inside HD concealer and this is in the shade LNP15. So it is very nice and high coverage foundation with the very low price. So guys, if you want to try this concealer, then you can definitely try this one, guys, because it is very high coverage concealer. At the same time, it provides you a very nice finish. So first I'm going to just conceal my eyelid, and guys, for cleaning my eyebrow I'm going to use this brush, guys. This is the Swiss Beauty brush and this is the concealer F03 brush, and ये कुछ इस तरह के शेप में आता है. इससे आप काफ़ी इजीली अपनी आईब्रो को क्लीन कर सकते हैं. So guys, it is an orange undertone, so you can use it as an corrector. Talking about this concealer, it dries out very quickly. At the same time, it provides you very high coverage, as you can see, guys. For now, I have only concealed my eyelid, as you can see. Next, guys, I'm going to set my eyelid using a loose powder. For that, I'm going to use the Inside loose powder. And guys, this is very cheap, like 180 something, and it come up like this. Personally, I just don't like this packaging, guys. First, I'm going to set my eyelid using a powder brush. So guys, it is a banana powder. So guys, it sets my eyelid quite well. So guys, for more clean look, I have applied a cello tape outer corner of my eye. So guys, आपको काफ़ी अच्छा sharp look मिलता है. At the same time, काफ़ी clean look मिलता है. So guys, today I'm going to use these two palettes for my eye look, guys. This is the first one, is this one, guys. This is the Maybelline Urban Jungle palette, guys. Look, it has in 6 color and only one matte shade. And guys, and next one is this one, guys. This is the Nude Awaiting palette, and this is from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to use this also for my today's makeup look. So guys, for transition shade, I'm going to use this shade, guys. And first I'm going to apply this in my outer corner, at the same time in my crease line. So guys, I am applying this color very light-handed. Next, I am going to draw a cut crease. So guys, after drawing my cut crease, next I am going to use this white shade for my cut crease, and I am going to apply using my finger. This is like beautiful color, guys. So guys, lastly for my outer corner, I'm going to pick this black shade. I'm going to remove this sellotape and see the result. This looks so beautiful and stunning, guys. Next, guys, I'm just wiping off the fallout. So guys, for more glitter, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty liquid glitter in the shade 04, and I'm just applying a little amount here and blending with my finger. For base makeup, I'm going to start off with this Illuminati base, and this is in the shade golden. So I'm going to apply this. That's it, guys, and as you can see, it is kind of liquidy. First, I'm going to blend this. And also it is very beautiful Illuminati base. See how illuminating my face is looking, and so shiny, so glowy. So guys, for foundation, here I am using this Nykaa All Day Matte foundation, and this is the good for normal to combination skin, and this is in the shade beige. So I'm going to use 2 pump of it, and guys, using the same kabuki brush, and this is the Swiss Beauty foundation brush. So I'm going to blend this. For highlighting my face, I'm going to use this concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02, and it is an highlighting concealer. That's why I'm using this. Next is for setting my face and contouring. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour palette, guys, and I'm going to set my face using this banana powder. Next, for contouring, I'm going to use the same palette. So guys, next for the blush, here I'm using this Stay Quirky blush in the shade Peach Lady, and it is a shimmer blush. So I'm going to apply this, and also this is very pigmented. Next is for liner, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty eyeliner, and I'm going to draw a wing. This Swiss Beauty Kajal. Next is I'm going to apply this false lashes, guys, and see how it looks. See guys, this is a beautiful false lashes. First I'm going to use a tweezer, and remove these eyelashes very easily. See. Lashes, my lip is turned out like this. The next for mascara, here I am using this Swiss Beauty mascara, and I am going to coat my lashes using this. Next is for highlighting my face. I'm going to use this Insight highlighter, and this is in the shade 06 Cosmic Power. For applying this, I'm going to use a beauty blender, and guys, stick the product and see how beautiful it is. So guys, using a beauty blender, it will give you a very natural and beautiful finish. For lipstick, here I am using this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade I Am Worth It. And if you want to use a nude lipstick, then you can, but today I am going to use a red bright lipstick. So shade, I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetic lipstick in the shade what it is, Berry Brave. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel guys, and take care guys. Bye bye.